Hi Taurus, welcome to my channel. How are you? I hope you are doing great. So, in today's reading, I am gonna do your reading for the month of July. So, in this reading, Taurus, I am going to pull three cards for you past, present, and future, and three cards for your person past, present, and future. And then I am gonna pull out some universe guidance for the connection, and then I am going to take one card from the Power of Love activation deck. So, and at the end I'm going to pull out angel answer card. So in this card you need to ask one question and I will try to answer you through one card out of this deck. So Taurus, let's get started. So universe, angel guides, what is the messages, what are the messages for my Taurus friends, what are the messages? Last shuffle. Okay, so two cards came already, and this is the third card. Okay, and three cards for your person. Okay, so Taurus, here in the past, it looks like you were trying to get some information or some clarity related to your love situation, and there were some hidden secrets, and everything was not clear to you. So that kept you little bit in the anxious mode. In the present moment, probably you are not happy. Probably you want some clarity. Um, you want clarity and you are eager. So probably in the current situation also you are feeling anxious. Here I can see there is a strong presence of air sign. So it looks like air sign is involved, or probably it could be some water sign as well. So here you want clarity and you are asking the person. Okay, and before going into the future with the three of cups over here, so it is a reunion card. So you also want this reunion, but you in the current situation you want all the clarity, how it is going to be, and will there be any secrets, is there anything which is hidden, it is something some kind of lies or something. So you want that clarity in the present situation, and you are manifesting the reunion over here. I can see that your strong feeling for the reunion, you have love for the person and you want to reconcile with this person, but not without the clarity. So, in your person's energy, Taurus, here Nine of Pentacles. So, it looks like in the past where there were some hidden secrets, this person was happily enjoying his or her life, and they were not bothered about you. They were very much happy within themselves. They were enjoying their singlehood, even though they were in relationship with you. You were there present with them, but this person was happy with themselves. In the present situation, they are again. So magician is there, strong presence of again air sign, Gemini. So this person in the present situation probably manifesting some choice. Probably they have to make a choice over here. They are trying to have um, you, but again this person is not coming out very kind of grounded. So here this is magician is a positive card. In one way he can achieve anything what he or she wants, but here I am not sensing that this is something good for you. probably good for them, but not for you, because this person is still keeping some kind of secrets and manifesting it through their own way, not in a transparent way. In the future, there is a choice. They will have to make a choice definitely, and because you don't want reunion until unless there is some clarity, and they will have to make a choice, and they are manifesting that choice, that they want to be with yourself but on their own terms. So Taurus, I hope it is resonating with you all, and let's see what universe has to say about this connection. One card from universe. Oh, three of swords. So universe is trying to tell you, Taurus, that there are still some secrets. Probably there is some third party involved. Probably, but for some of you, I am getting. But three of swords sometimes means hurt. So there is still hurt in the connection, and this hurt needs to be healed. Okay, and you have to be careful when this person is approaching, and probably this person might hurt you again because their pattern has not changed yet. So this is what universe is trying to tell you guys. Now let's get one power of love activation card for you, how you can heal yourself in this love situation. One card please for my Taurus friends. Okay. Unity. So very nice. Unity. Okay. So you understand the love shared with another is amplified and has a ripple effect across the universe. So here universe is trying to tell you that, see over here, like it looks same. Both the cards are looking same. So both are from universe, and the universe is trying to tell you that keep your integrity. And what I am getting some messages is like this person might not be able to tell you everything, but there are certain reasons behind their this behavior, and you have to keep your integrity. You have to be a little bit loving towards them in order to get the information from them, and in order to have them open in front of you so that they can tell how they are actually feeling, why they were behaving like this, and what they want in the future. So this is what I am getting for you guys, and let's get one angel answer card for you. So you need to ask a question, and when you ask the question, I will pull one card from this deck and will try to answer your question. So this question should be in yes or no in answer. So please ask your question and comment in the comment box below. Okay, it is up to you. It's up to you. This is how it looks like. So here is a girl who is pointing on you, Taurus, and telling that it's up to you. So here, what I'm sensing is it is yes, it is towards yes, but you have to be clear within your mind what exactly you want. Although you have asked the question, but ask yourself, really do you want this? If really you want this, then it will be yes. If not, then it won't be. So that's all for you guys. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you liked it, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take care, love and light. Bye.